Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this video presentation, let us talk about how to calculate the standard score. So without further ado, let's get started. What is Z-score? Z-score is also known as a standard score. It's a measure that describes the position of a row score in terms of its distance from the mean measured in standard deviations units. So I have here the steps on how to calculate the standard score. Okay, step 1, identify the individual score you want to convert to a Z-score. Step 2, determine the mean of the dataset. Step 3, subtract the mean from the individual score. Step 4, divide the difference you calculated in step 4 by the standard deviation. Okay, so this is a guide on how to calculate the Z-score or the standard score. So in the next slide, I will show you the formula in calculating the standard score. Okay, so let us go to the problem. So Lou's score is 90 in an English test and 70 in a physics test. Scores in the English test have a mean of 80 and standard deviations of 10. Scores in the physics test have a mean of 60 and standard deviations of 8. So the question, in what subject was her standing better? Assuming that the score in her English and physics class are normally distributed. Okay, so before we calculate the standard score, so let me underline the score in English. So let us solve first the standard scores in English. So that is the scores of Lou's, which is 90 and mean of 80 and standard deviations of 10. Okay. So the formula is Z is equals to X, or the X is the score of Lou's and minus by the population mean over the standard deviation. So our value of X, which is the score of Lou's, which is 90, and the population mean is 80 for English subjects per subject, and 10 is the standard deviation. So let us subtract 80 to 90. So that is equals to 10 divided by 10. So the standard score is 1. Okay, so that is how to calculate the standard score. Okay, so let us go to the score in physics, or let us calculate the standard score in physics. So the score of Lou's is 70 for physics, and the population mean is 60, and the standard deviations of 8. Okay, so let us calculate the standard score of Lou's for physics subject. So Z is equals to X minus mean over the standard deviation. So our X for physics test, that is the score of that test, is 70. Okay, then the population mean is 60. Okay, then our standard deviations of 8. Okay, so 70 minus 60, that is 10 over 8. So 10 divided by 8, that is equals to 1.5 25. Okay, so that is how to calculate the standard scores. Very easy. So I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Thank you for watching.